Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Rosalind Gel Polish number 52 and 2705, the Red Iguana Blooming Gel, and Maniology MXM022 and So Metal. Yep, another gel mani. Here is the Rosalind number 52. I'll be using the Painted Desert Extra Short Coffin Nails, and Model 1's base coat is already down. So here we go with our first coat of number 52 from Rosalind. Now you guys know I have a thing about name on polishes. So I cured it for 60 seconds. And here we go with our second coat. Just give it a name. Name them babies. You know what I'm saying? Don't just give us numbers. We don't like that. There we go with that second coat. Leveling out very nice. I'm going to cure it for another 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply the Red Iguana Blooming Gel. And you don't cure this. And I'm actually doing a thicker layer than you're supposed to. I didn't realize that. But it's all good. I'll be using Rosalind number 2705. I've got a little bit out on my mat. I've already gotten started. And I'm just using a dotting tool. And you just put little dots and watch it as it morphs. It morphs. It takes on its own thing. And I love the look of these. It's like tortoise shell or something. But like in Nail World. Because you know you can make anything, any color you want in Nail World. But you put little dots on and it spreads out. And you got to let it finish spreading and doing its thing. You know, finish up before you top coat it or anything. Or cure it and then top coat it. So I'm letting that spread out. Isn't that groovy? It's like a giraffe pattern. So I cured it for 60 seconds. And now I'm using Maniology MXM022 and my Nails stamper and Maniology's So Metal. So here we go. So there we go. And this is another one of those manicures that I told you I've done a lot of blue, and because I was going to use this for my Marvelous Marble, but turns out there wasn't enough yellow showing for me, so I'm going to do a whole nother manicure for that one. And here we go with more stamping. I'm just using different bits and pieces off of all those images. Playing like a crazy girl. Some of them are going to get covered up more than others, and that's the way I want it. Some of them will be a little more wispy, and some of them will be a little more chunky. And we're just moving around that plate like a champ. Gonna get them all stamped up. So I am stamping with regular stamping polish over gel polish. I've never had a problem with it. I think it's totally doable. And if you decide you're done with the stamping, you use non-acetone nail polish remover. Take the stamping off and stamp something else on, or put another coat of your glossy top coat on and just wear that basic manicure again. So now that they're done and dry, I'm going over them with the Model 1's glossy top coat. Yep, I sure am. Mixing it all up today. And then I'm going to cure it under my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to apply it to my nail. Y'all see that yellow all around my finger? That's where the alcohol inks got away from me. Look at that. Love these. Here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.